Hi guys, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial, I will explain about the how to create this trend table. How to create this trend table. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tools like SEO, SMO, SMM. Completely free web technologies and digital marketing tools provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today, how to create this table. How to create this table. Okay. First of all, this is the table. This table creation process, we are using the basic parent element is the table. Parent element is the table, and next child element is the tr, and next child element is the t heading, and next child element is the table data. Okay, these four elements are using this table creation. Okay, next in the table creation process, we are using the two attributes. Two attributes like row span for merging the row span for merging the rows, and call span for merging the number of columns. Okay, two attributes like row span is row span for merging the number of rows. Okay, here lunch is measured the 6 rows. Lunch is measured the 6 rows, and next one lab is measured the 3 columns. Lab is measured 3 columns. Here 3 columns, similar 3 columns. This table creation. Okay, next here I will write the basic HTML structure first. Doc type HTML. Okay, next HTML. ENUS. Okay, first of all, I will create the table.html. Okay, next head. In the head section, I will write the title, timetable. Okay, next after head section, I will write the body, last HTML. Okay, last element is the HTML. In the body section, I will write the first h1 tag, timetable. Okay, once I will check the output. Okay, yeah, this is the output. Next, okay, 100% zoom. Next here I will write the style attribute, style, text align center. Text align center. Okay, text align center. Next, I will create the table. Table is the base parent element. Okay, table is the parent element. Next, I will write the tr. In the tr, I will write the headings. First one is the day or period. Day or period. Day or period. Next one is the ph break. Only 932. 9:30 to 10:20. Okay. Total 8 hours. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here 10:20, 10:20 to 11:10. 11:10 to 12. 12 to 12:40 lunch break. 12:40. Okay. 12:40 to 1:20. 1:20 to 1:20 to 3:10. 3:10 to 4. One, two, three. Okay. Okay. Next, I'll create the another tr table row. In the table row, I'll create the th. First one is the Sunday. Sunday or Monday? Monday. Or NDAY. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Okay. Okay. Next, I will create the borders. Next, I will create the border in the head section and write the style attribute. Sorry, style tag internal CSS. Here I am writing the internal CSS table, comma, th, comma, td. Okay, border, 2px, solid, BLA black. Okay, okay. Next, I will create the single column like border collapse, collapse. Okay. Next, table style, border 2px. Okay. Next, border style, double dashed dotted double groove hidden. Okay, groove. Groove. Great. Okay. Yeah, okay. Next, I have read the margin auto for the center. Yeah, okay. Next, for each TD, I am create the space padding 10 pixel. Okay. Next here, TD. First one English, Maths, Chemistry, ENG, English, Maths, TD, Chemistry. Okay, next our lunch. Lunch. 6 rows are measured in the lunch. 6 rows are measured. So that's why I am write the row span 6. Okay. Row span 6 equal to 1246 lunch. Okay. Next. TD. First. Here lab is the 3 hours. Lab is the 3 hours. 3 columns are measured. So that's why I am write the call span 3. Call span 3. Okay. Call span 3 lab. And last one is the physics. Okay. Lab physics. And next, here I am write the textile and center also. Textile and center. Okay, textile and center. Next. Okay, Tuesday. Tuesday morning lab 3 hours. Tuesday morning lab. Row span, sorry, call span 3 lab. Okay. And next English, chemistry, maths, sports. English, chemistry, maths, sports. Okay. English, chemistry, maths, sports. And next one is the maths, physics. Wednesday, maths, physics, chemistry, maths, physics, English. Okay. English, chemistry, library. TD, chemistry. Next one is the library. All span 3. Okay. All span 3. And next one, Thursday. Physics, English, chemistry, physics, English, chemistry. And next one is the physics, English, chemistry. Next 3 hours is the lab. 3 hours lab. 3 hours call span 3. Okay. Next last one, max. Okay. And next Friday. Friday first 3 hours lab. Call span 3. Lab. Okay. Next TD. Max chemistry. Max chemistry, English, physics. Okay. Next last one Saturday. English, chemistry, English, chemistry, max. And next 3 hours is the seminar, all span 3. Seminar, and last hour is the sports. Okay, once I will check the output. Yeah, okay. This is the output. So, okay, guys. Oh, what happened is there 3 to 340. 2. Okay, okay. 1240 to 130. 1240 to 1240 to 130. 130 to 220. 220. 220 to 220 to 310. Okay. 310 to 4. 310 to 4. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, guys. Oh, okay. Finally, lunch. Lunch is the vertical. Lunch text is the vertical. So here I am inspect the element. Next, lunch, writing mode. Okay. Next, text orientation. TEXT text. ORIentation. Text orientation. Okay. Copy. Where is the lunch? Here. Style. Okay. Writing mode. Vertical. Vertical RL. And next, text orientation upright. Okay, now lunch. Okay. So guys, this is the process to create the timetable. I hope you all are understand how to create this type of timetable using row span and column span. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. SHS Tech Solution also provides the online classes also. If you want to learn any web technologies courses, please contact me. This is the my number. This is my number. If you need to learn any technology, contact me. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye bye.